Okay, everything's off. Everything's off. Are you ready for this? I am ready for this. Oh, scary. All swell. All swell. Okay, let's do this. We are going to open this up. Okay. Leaks. They're all swell. And turn this on. Way too much pressure. Pretty good. Maybe a little less, though. Alright, well. Groovy. Well, definitely don't have any leaks of any sort. Water's on. Turn this back off. Open this filter up. Okay. So now I have the bypass closed. Uh-oh. You see it dripping? Oh dear. I'm gonna need my wrench. I'm gonna need my wrenches. Off. No drips. Bitches. Bet I could turn that without even undoing that. You can see how far those threads are out. Obviously didn't get that screwed in very good. That's okay, those ones are really hard. Those are the ones that are like, I pulled a rib muscle. Okay, everything looks really good. One little drip never hurt a fly. I'm just gonna run the water out of that filter. That's how you do it. That was fun. A little water. Clean water. It's dripping. Why is it dripping out of there if that's shut? Oh, because it's going back up. Bitches. Alright, well, I'm sure that filter's nice and clean. And I believe I am extra clean too. Alright, I have a lot of pressure. Let's not turn this on all the way anymore. Let's put a pressure stopper on it. Uh-oh. I done made a mess. That's fine. I have to go home and get my wrenches. Everything got put away. Sick of it. I'm sick of it. My drill's right here though, so if I do need to take that bracket out. All right, 5 minutes.